Welcome! In this video tutorial, we explain how to install wall covering in rectangular tile format. Start by reading the hanging instructions provided. The wall should be dry, clean, slightly absorbent and smooth. We recommend pre-painting it in a shade similar to the colour scheme of your chosen tiles. Take the tiles out of the packaging but leave them in the plastic sleeves before use to avoid damaging them. The sticker indicates the top of the tile. Mark this on the tile itself with a pencil too. Always check the reference number and batch number. Always handle the tiles with two hands. Make sure your hands are always clean. Check the tiles for defects before you start. Are you installing a panoramic or decor wall covering? The layout plan can be found on the box and all the plastic sleeves are labelled. Measuring the height and width of the tile, mark the outline of the first tile on the wall. Using a cross-line laser, mark reference lines for the whole row of tiles. Start with the first whole tile at the top left. The hanging instructions explain which glue to use. For the tiles in this video, we have used high-tech mounting adhesive with high initial adhesion. We use a cork gun to apply the glue. Apply the adhesive in a vertical line pattern to the back of the tile. This allows air to circulate behind the tile. We recommend Clear Pro Extreme adhesive for some other tiles. This glue is applied with a paint roller. Position the glue-covered tile on the wall according to the layout plan. Be careful with the top layer of the tile. Press it into place with your hands, and then with a soft rubber roller. Avoid glue stains on the front of the tiles. Some types of glue are difficult to remove. Install the tiles row by row in this way. Finish one tile at a time. Do not apply glue to a whole row of tiles before installation, as some adhesives dry very quickly. Make sure each tile is always properly aligned with the previous one. Check the results after the first 6 tiles. Now, finish the side. Measure each tile and cut them one by one to the correct size. Use a sharp snap-off knife and a flat ruler. Carefully cut along the back of the tile multiple times, along the flat ruler. Use a new blade for each tile. Apply glue to the section of tile and position it on the wall in the same way as the other tiles. Finish the tiles at the bottom in the same way. Finally, press the tiles into place again with the rubber roller. Thanks for watching this video tutorial and good luck.